So it's been like more than 10 days or 10 days, something like that. I haven't slept properly. Like I'm just sleeping more than maximum for 4 hours or 3 hours in a day. And the worst part is like it's been 48 hours and I've just slept for 2 hours. And I don't know like it's getting worse day by day, and I know. So today is like I'm going to meet my friend. She is living somewhere near. I'm not going to mention the place, but we are going to go to Phoenix Mall. Then I'm going to shop for myself. I'm going to get, because it's very few days left, and I haven't done my packing yet, to be honest. And I'm leaving to uh, yeah. After a long time. ஒரு சில விஷயம்லாம் நிறையா இருக்குது. தனியாக வந்திருக்கேன். I'm waiting for my friend to come. எனக்கு சத்தியமாக ஒரு விஷயம் பிடிக்காது தெரியுமா? லைக் ஐ டோன்ட் லைக் வெயிட்டிங் டூ மச். ஒன்றும் ஃபோனோட இருக்காங்களே. Before we start shopping, like we just thought let's have something, and we came to Starbucks and we ordered this cafe latte and some. இவ்வளோ நேரம் வெயிட் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் என் பேரே எழுதலை. I hate this thing. सारा पूरा दिल खराब कर दिया देख इसने, शुगर ने.
डालनी नहीं चाहिए थी इतनी.
थैंक यू सो मच. फिर से मुझे हर चीज़ का है ना, मतलब लाइक एडवाइस लेना चाहिए. आई शुड टेक एडवाइस फ्रॉम यू.
I told you already.
So I did mistake in my past.
I know.
It's actually nice.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Thank you so much.
मैं मारूंगी तेरे को, बता रही हूँ मैं. मेरे साथ हरकत ना करियो.
So now is the thing is like I'm all dependent on you. Like whatever you choose, I'll take it.
Okay, fine, but let's see. It's depend whether the color will suit you or no, na? No. Not this. मेरा खर्चा बढ़ा रहा है बस. मैं देख भी रही हूँ बदतमीज की तरह. तो स्मेल कैसे करे इसका? ट्राई कैसे ले ले? अरे
shopping. Actually, we didn't buy anything, and then we came to a restaurant called Batinda Express, which is in Torre Pakkam. Your mask is visible, right? See?
That's okay.
We are open. ठीक है? अभी
बठिंडा जगह भी है ना, जंक्शन.
So it's like, it's a nice place. See?
Indeed.
मैं तेरे को नहीं दिखाने वाला.
Let me read the menu.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
So we wasted like 4 hours or 3 hours. We didn't waste, but still.
To be precise, it's 2 hours and 20 minutes. I would have been glad if you would have got that watch.
Yeah, actually.
I really loved it.
That's nice. We'll see. I'm gonna check online. Actually, the thing is like, in Doha they have a lot of collections. But in case some, the service repairing things and all, I can go over there and I get it done. So if I'm buying over here and they were giving some warranty or whatever, so for that I have to wait all the time. I don't know like when I'll be coming back, whatever.
You got to accept the fact that I got a good choice.
Yes, actually, for that, even for the that latte, cafe latte, that was really good. I didn't expect, like, you know, that Starbucks have this kind of, but it's just a basic thing, right?
I'm glad you like it. You got a choice.
Yeah.
And you
Sometimes,
get an option.
sometimes I mess with my choice, but still.
Thank you
By
so
hot
much.
water. So nice. हाँ भैया, like थोड़ा सा.
For you, Mom?
Yes,
For you.
please, sir. Thank you.
And this one?
Green peas masala and one garlic fried rice with some hot water and a glass of coke. कहाँ
अरे डाल ना.
हो गया तो अच्छा चपाती
So yeah.
इनके फुलके बड़े छोटे होते हैं
मांस के साथ अच्छा लगता है ना.
बिना
चेहरा।
मांस का अच्छा लगता है बहुत फ्रेश प्यारी लग रही है पर
है ना बींदनी.
बहुत ही प्यारी है